Hi viewers, welcome back to our Square Maths YouTube channel. In the previous session we discussed about number series, which is very interesting. Logical thinking will be improved. It is meant for 6th, 7th, 8th students and the aspirants who are opting for the various competitive examinations for their career. The same way here we are going to continue. So number series part 1 has been discussed in the previous video. You can have it in the description. Now part 2, number series part 2, type 4. Yesterday we discussed 3 types. Now 4th type we are going to discuss, n square minus n series. Okay, so what is the meaning or the statement related to n square minus n series? Series in which each term is obtained by subtracting a number from square of that number. Okay, so by observing itself you can easily understand n square minus n, square the number and deduct the same number from n square. Okay, so now let us go through our question now. Find out the missing term of the series 42, 30, the missing term 12 and 6. Now how to go it? Since we are discussing the series, types of series, each and every series, its name, its property and the problem we are going to discuss. Okay, please listen carefully. Now here, if you observe carefully, since it is n square minus n, each term is decreasing here. So that is the first point to be followed while doing the problem. So we had to consider the highest numbers, some n is equal to 9 or n is equal to 10. So obviously we will see for n is equal to 8. Okay, n square minus n. So n is equal to 8 implies 8 square minus 8. What is 8 square minus 8? It is 64 minus 8, nothing but 56. Next. So here we did not got the first term. Let us go for the next term before it. Before 8. N is equal to 7. So 7 square minus 7, because n square minus n is equal to 7. So 49 minus 7 gives you 42. So here our got our 42 here. Next, n is equal to 6. So 6 square minus 6, 36 minus 6, nothing but 30. Again we got the second term of the series. Next, let us go for n is equal to 5. So 5 square minus 5, nothing but 25 minus 5 gives you 20. So n is equal to next 4, we'll go through it. So 4 square minus 4, 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Next, n is equal to here 3. So 3 square minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So if you observe carefully, right from the n is equal to 7 we are getting the pattern here, our numbers. So here our 42, so we got 42 for n is equal to 7. Next for n is equal to 6 we got, next our missing term. So proceeding in that way, for n is equal to 5 we got our term, so which is nothing but our here 20. Next we have to check for whether it is possible for the other numbers or not. N is equal to 4, 12 and 12, n is equal to 3, 6 and 6. So in the n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3 cases also we got. Hence the missing term of the series is nothing but 20. So here it is now 20. So the missing term of the series. Now let us go for another way here. What is another way? Consider 42. Next here we have 30. Next we have to find out the missing term. Next 12 and next 6. So by trial and error method, just like see here, if you see the difference here, it is 12. 42 minus 12. So next, suppose if you decrease by 2, what we are going to get? 10. Okay, and next Nothing but here what we are getting 20. 20 again if you decrease by 2 here you are going to get 8. Okay. Again, so since we are decreasing, go on decreasing 2 to 2, so again decreased here you are going to get 6. So instead of doing this one, you can proceed in this way also. First of all, we got our 56, whether you write or not, your wish. So this is nothing but our shortcut. Since we got our required answer, so therefore 20 is our missing term of the given n square minus n series. So instead of doing this one, you can go through like this also. If you remember the property, you can proceed. Otherwise, you can go through in this way. So please students, after watching this one, don't stop here the missing term. Go for the next two terms also. So next two terms also we got same. Hence 20 is our missing term. In the same way, while doing our shortcut also, go for next remaining terms. If it is happening, then we can go for the answer. So in this way, n square minus n series has been discussed. Now our next type 5, n cube series. Nothing but cube of a number. You know very well the cube of number in 7th and 8th class we discussed. So a number in which it is obtained by cubing the number. Nothing but the number multiplied with itself 3 times or nothing but thrice. It is said to be the cube of a number. Okay. So series in which cube of different numbers following a specified sequence. Okay. So the numbers, it follows a specified, nothing but particular sequence is called cube of the number. So if you observe carefully, find out the missing term of 1000, 8000, 27,000, 64,000, 125,000 and next to the missing term. Okay. So for this, how to proceed? First of all, you should have the idea that, so 1 cube is nothing but 1. So 2 cube is 8. Next 3 cube is 27. And 4 cube is 64. So on. If you have this idea, the cube of the numbers, you can implement here. Okay. So nothing but to get 1000, you know very well. So 10 cube, nothing but 10 into 10 into 10 gives you 1000. Okay, 10 tens are 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. In the same way now, here 20 cube, 20 into 20 into 20, nothing but 8000. Similarly, you can go for 27,000, nothing but to get it, it is 30 cube. So 30 into 30 into 30 gives you 27,000. In the same way, you are going to get for 40 cube as 64,000. Nothing but 40 into 40 into 40. Okay, next 50 cube. Nothing but 50 into 50 into 50. Okay, which gives you 125,000, 1,25,000. Similarly following, you can go through it now. What you can go through it? Here 60 cube gives you 60 into 60 into 60. Okay, so nothing but 216,000. So 2,16,000, nothing but this is our missing term 216,000. Okay. So if you have the basic knowledge of cubes, okay, nothing but a number multiplied with itself 3 times, nothing but we are going to get cube of the number. So easily we can implement it. So this is, so far we discussed up to 5 types, nothing but based on squares. Next, this is type 5, cube of the number, nothing but n cube. Based on that, there is a problem here. Next, we are going to discuss various types on the cube of the numbers. You can have it. Let us go for type 6 now. N cube plus 1 series. So cube of the number added by 1. So n³ plus 1 series. So series in which each term is a sum of cube of a number and 1, nothing but n³ plus 1 series. So find out the missing term of the series. So related to this now problem. So this is a question and this is our statement. So let us go for solution. So with the knowledge of cube of the number we had to proceed. So by seeing itself, this is a 3-digit number. So no need to go for 1 cube, 2 cube. Okay, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So let us start here. N is equal to 4. Suppose n cube plus 1, nothing but 4 cube plus 1 gives you 64 plus 1, nothing but 65. Okay, next go for n is equal to 5, implies 5 cube plus 1, 5 cube is 125, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125 plus 1, so nothing but 126. Next n is equal to 6 here, 6 cube plus 1, okay, we are going to get 216 plus 1, nothing but 217. Next n is equal to 7 here. So 7 cube plus 1, 7 cube is 343 plus 1, nothing but 344. So if you observe carefully, so 1, 2, 3 terms. So for n is equal to 5, we are getting our pattern, but we checked from n is equal to 4 whether we are going to get or not. So similarly consider n is equal to 8. So 8 cube plus 1, 8 8 is 64, 64 8 is 512. So 512 plus 1 gives you 513. Finally we will check for one more because it is given n is equal to 9 here. So 9 cube plus 1. So nothing but 729 plus 1 gives you 730. If you observe carefully, in all the cases we got the terms here. Okay. So right from n is equal to 5 we got here. So here it is 126, we got 126, next 217, next here 344. After 344 here for n is equal to 8 we got. So tracing out the number for n is equal to 8, 8 cube plus 1, finally it is 513. So later we got here 730 also. So hence the missing term is given by here 513. Okay. So n³ plus 1 supporting the example. So no need to check right from n is equal to 1. So go for like this by seeing the numbers in the pattern whether it is applicable for square or cubes. So here n³ plus 1, this is the model. Next, after going through these problems today now in this video, try it yourself. Okay, I given some list of problem. So go these problems and these are the problems. Find out the missing terms of the given numbers. This is first and second along with key is given. So check it. You can have the look here. So please viewers, after watching the video, first of all go through the previous video. This is nothing but part 1 of the number series. You will have the better knowledge of the number series. Logical thinking also will be improved. Next, go through this video. After this, those who want to like it, share, subscribe and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.